What if your money kept working even while you sleep, travel, or binge Netflix? That's the magic of passive income, earning without trading time for money every day. But let's be real, not all passive income streams are equal. Some take months of effort up front. Others require cash, consistency, or creativity. So today, I'm breaking down the top 5 passive income streams that actually work and how you can start building them right now. Let's dive in. First, what exactly is passive income? It's money that flows in repeatedly after an initial investment of time, money, or energy. Think rent checks, royalty payments, or dividends. It's not 100% effortless, but it scales, sustains, and gives you back your most precious asset, freedom. So, here are 5 proven passive income streams, from lowest to highest effort, and how to make each one work for you. At number 1, dividend stocks. Dividend investing means buying shares in companies that pay you a portion of their profits, usually quarterly. It's one of the most classic and truly passive streams of income. Here's how it works. You invest in companies like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, or ETFs like VYM or SCHD. They send you cash dividends just for holding their stock. Reinvest that income and it snowballs. What you need to start: a brokerage account, Fidelity, Schwab, or M1 Finance. Around $100, $500 to begin, though results grow with scale. Patience and consistency. Pro tip: focus on dividend aristocrats, companies with 25+ years of steady dividend growth. Number 2, digital products like eBooks, printables, templates, or mini courses. This is perfect for creators, freelancers, coaches, or anyone with a skill or insight to share. Why it's powerful: you create something once, then sell it over and over again with no inventory. Profit margins? 80% to 95%. It's almost all upside. Examples: an Excel budgeting template, a Notion planner, a $15 ebook on how to grow a YouTube channel, a Canva social media pack. What you need to start: a niche and target audience, a delivery platform like Gumroad, Etsy, or Shopify, a basic marketing funnel, email list, Instagram page, or YouTube channel. Pro tip: use AI tools like ChatGPT and Canva to build products faster and more affordably. Coming in at number 3, self-publishing on Amazon KDP. Publishing isn't just for novelists anymore. You can create and earn from journals, coloring books, planners, children's books, short how-to guides. Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, lets you upload a book or PDF, and they'll print and ship it every time someone buys, while you earn royalties of up to 70%. Startup costs? Nearly zero if you create your own design in Canva or hire a freelancer. Pro tip: start with low-content books, like gratitude journals or fitness logs, to learn the system before scaling. Number 4, rental properties. One of the most time-tested ways to build wealth. Yes, this one requires capital and commitment up front, but once it's running, it can generate monthly cash flow for decades. 2 main routes here. Traditional rental. Buy and hold real estate where tenants pay monthly rent. Short-term rental, Airbnb or Vrbo, can bring higher returns but more turnover. Startup requirements: 10% to 25% down payment or creative financing. Market research, property management, or at least systems to automate it. Alternative: no money to buy a property? Try REITs, real estate investment trusts, publicly traded companies that let you earn real estate income without being a landlord. And finally, number 5, affiliate marketing. This is perfect if you already create content or are willing to start. Here's the deal: you promote products or services using a custom link, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. That's it. You can be an affiliate for Amazon products. Financial tools like SoFi, Robinhood, Fidelity, or Chime courses or memberships. Hosting platforms like Bluehost. Best part? You don't need to build the product. You just refer, earn, and repeat. To get started, pick a niche, create content: YouTube, blog, TikTok, podcast. Apply to affiliate programs. Some pay 10–50% per sale. Pro tip: focus on evergreen content like product reviews or tutorials that ranks over time and earns while you sleep. Before we wrap, here are 3 key lessons I've learned building passive income streams. Start small, but start now. You don't need thousands of dollars, just time, tools, and discipline. Stack, don't scatter. Focus on one income stream, grow it, then stack the next. Don't chase 5 ideas at once. Automate everything. Whether it's email flows, ad funnels, or reinvesting dividends, set it and forget it. Automation is your real best friend. Passive income is how you unplug from the grind and start building true freedom. But it starts with one decision, one idea, and one step. So here's your challenge. Comment below and tell me which passive income stream you're going to start this month. Is it dividend investing? A digital product? Rental real estate? And if you want to go deeper, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. I drop weekly videos on building wealth, freedom, and financial confidence. Until next time, earn smart, live free.